Hello guys, welcome to another lecture. And today we're going to be talking about HTML headings, and paragraphs. So let's get started with HTML headings. First, like we knew before, we'll save our document. I'm saving it inside the folder I already have HTML, and I want to call this heading .html. Save. So now we do our basic HTML documentation, which is angle bracket doc type followed by our HTML followed by our head, then our title. So I'll call my title HTML headings, then the body, okay. And before we get started, let's just know what an HTML header is. Now, HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on your web page. So they are headings that you want to display on your web page, like the normal Word document that have headings, then followed by the body of the document you are writing. Same also HTML has headings, and these headings range from H1 to H6. So let's see how they all line out. So this for H1, we do another one, we're calling it H2, H2, H3, and H6. So let's save upon our floor heading, so we can see it aligning up here. So these are the different headings we have in HTML: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So those are all the headings we have in HTML. So the H1 defines the most important of all, then the H6 defines the least important. So if you're writing an important document on your web page, you use H1 for it. Now you might ask yourself, why is it important for you to write this? Now, search engines such as Google uses headings to index the structure and content of your web page, and users often skim your web page using headers. So they look at the headings before they read the content. So it's advisable that you use good headings that will attract your users. Now, while using H1, H2, or H6, you are meant to use them just for headers. Now, to make an H1 bigger, all we need to do is add an attribute to it, an attribute of style. Then we'll give it a property of font size. Then we'll give it a value of 60 pixel. Save to the browser, refresh. Now we can see it's bigger. So this is just a simple way of increasing the font size of any header tag or of any element itself at all. So before we leave, there's something I want to show us. It's called the horizontal line in HTML. You can use this to draw an horizontal line on your web page, and we do that by using angle bracket, H arrow, and close. Now you can see this is not giving me what a closing tag. Like we said earlier on, this is called what? An empty element. So let's save to the browser, refresh, and we can see this long horizontal line at our web page. That's the function of the HR tag that we have right here. And we said BR tag is for what? The break line. So these two are examples of what? An empty element. So guys, that's basically all on HTML headings. There's the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 are the only available headings in HTML. And you can make your headings bigger by giving it an attribute of style, a property of font size, then a value of 60 or whatever value that suits you. Okay guys, thank you very much for your time, and we'll see you in the next class.